Proxima is only 2 years old, but time has gone really fast, and today we find ourselves able to leverage an incredible team, fantastic partners, and now also enough funding to really scale up and go from a software effort to an R&D focus, now to a manufacturing challenge that we're ready to tackle.
On the manufacturing side, there is a very robust fusion supply chain in Europe, and it's been stimulated from machines such as the Joint European Torus in Oxford, W7X in Germany, and ITER, which has been built in the south of France.
We've been working with a number of leading European manufacturers, such as ProBeam and MAN and a number of others that are really taking the know-how that they developed with several large tokamaks and stellarators in Europe and are now able to bring that into a new exciting project.
ProBeam is a world-leading electron beam machine manufacturer. So they specialize in electron beam welding and sell systems all around the world to many different industries as well. But they also have a specific fusion expertise, which is what we're tapping into at the moment. They have a lot of experience within the fusion industry. I also knew them previously from SpaceX, where we were doing a lot of fine electron beam welding.
Our technology is based on using electron beams for manufacturing on metallic parts, which is mainly welding, drilling, and 3D printing. I think we are a perfect partner for that in the supply chain because we offer a welding technology which enables to make very high precision parts for fusion technology.
What I'm really excited about now is taking this team, these partnerships that we have and the new funding and scaling to manufacturing. Today, at completion of our Series A, we are a team of about 80 people between Munich, Zurich and Oxford. These people have come together from incredible companies and institutions, from fast-moving companies like SpaceX to the corporate giants that know how to build large projects such as Siemens and General Electric. By bringing together this kind of talent, we have really accelerated the path to fusion and the ability to think about stellarators on a relevant timescale to make a difference on the energy supply of Europe. Proxima is not just about a city, it's not just about a country, it's about a continent. We see the company as scaling as the European champion for fusion energy, and now by having also an investor base across Germany, France, Italy, and other countries, we can really tag that spot and build up something of a continental scale.